Right here, we got the polyurethane, $6.49. It's white, but it'll do. Alrighty, so we are basically back home. We have two engine mounts right here from the Nissan SCR Spec V. I got the new motor going on. There's the old motor that blew up. So we, of course, you know, these are the stock mounts right here, you know. For this, we got polyurethane mounts. Yeah, they're used, but they're good. Now, engine mounts, I don't have any, and the motor's going in soon. And as you can see, engine mount right here cracked. Whenever I move the mounting, see that? You know, that's kind of loose, man, because look, she cracked, you know? So, we're going to do a quick repair. It cost around $6. We got polyurethane sealant, window, door sealant. This is white stuff, but it should work. Here we also have, this is for the transmission mounts right on top of here. This one mounts on this side of the motor. And yeah, as you can see, the bottom part, they're filled up. The only part that's not is the top part. Same here, only the top part ain't filled up, but the bottom part, can't really see it too well, but it's filled up. So I was gonna remove this, but there's no point because I could just jam it in here and squish, 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 and should be good to go. It'll take, supposedly I saw 3 days to dry, but we're gonna see if we can put it in some heat and see how it pretty much goes. So I'm gonna do some movement right here. That's pretty good, decent force. This one I'm gonna grab from the back right here. You know, a lot of movement, you know? A lot of movement. So, we'll see how it is after, you know, completely sealed, not sealed. So, let's clean them up a little bit. Then we could put the window sealer on this, and she should be good to go. So there she is. So just pretty much shove her in and start filling her up. That's pretty much what I'm gonna end up doing, just like that. Just squeeze, squish. Which my left hand's kind of weak because that was an accident, but yeah, just squish, 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 and she'll be, yeah, fill her up. So pretty much that's how we got them filled up. We're gonna get some gloves and try to squish it in even more. Got the back side on this one. Boom, you know? Very good work. We're gonna try to squeeze it in with a glove, see if we could fit some more. These are used mounts, remember that. So yeah, this is polyurethane. So yeah, they're meant to be like mimic like a stage 1 racing mount. It would help if they're brand new mounts. That would help a lot, but hey, I'm doing this build cheaply in a timely manner. It's a cheap sleeper build. So yep, it's been like 30 minutes. Seconds out. Oh my gosh, it's hot. Oh, it stinks in here too. Oh, my ankle. You guys know that I had an accident. 95, and that shit was at 65. How's she doing? She ain't doing too bad. Yeah, she's still, you can see that, still a little squishy. I don't think they'll be done by tomorrow, but Google Pixel 4, of course, bro. You know, working hard, you know. We'll see. Alright, we are in here. This is about, we did this on Tuesday. It's Friday. It's about to be Saturday, so it's been a couple days. And you can see the mounts. They're getting there, but they're still you know, they're still squishy inside. So we need more drying, probably another 5 days, probably.